morning children, this is 5th class maths. Today I am going to start new block, block 21 angles. Okay. Before starting new block 21, we will discuss about some points children. First point, second one line segment and ray. Okay. First one point. A point is exact shape, it has no size. A point is exact shape, it has no size. See, these are the points A, B, C, D. Okay. Now, next line. See, a line has no end points. It is straight and extend forever in both directions. See, children, this is a line. Okay. AB, we can extend this arrow mark shows what we can extend both directions, and it has no end points. Line does not have end points. Okay. It read as line AB or like this, line AB. Understood children? Read as line AB or line AB. Okay. Next, line segment. See, this is the line segment children. A line segment is straight and has two end points. Its length can be measured. Line and line segment. What in line and line segment, what is the difference is there children? In line does not have end points. Line segment has two end points, and this line segment we can measure. See, we will draw children, we will draw the 5 cm, 6 cm, 2 cm, no, that is called line segment. Okay. This read has line segment PQ or line segment PQ. Now next, ray. This is the ray. A ray is a straight line with one end point and other end extends in one direction. Ray is one end point, in other direction you can extend. Okay children. Now its read has ray XY or ray XY. So children, now our topic is angles. What is angles children? When two rays, this is one ray, this is another ray, meet in common point, form an angle. Understood? Two rays or two line segments. Line segment also children. Two rays or two line segments meet in common point, form an angle. Okay. These are called arms. Okay. This point is called vertex. Vertex or corner. Okay children. Vertex or common. Here also same. These two are called arms of the angles, and this point is called vertex or corner. Children, there are different types of angles. I will explain now. First one, acute angle. Second one, right angle. Third one, obtuse angle. Next, straight angle. Next, complete angle. These are the types of angles. Now explain one by one. Children, this is our geometry box. In geometry box, this is called protractor, and these two are called set squares, and this is scale, and this is compass, and this one is divider. Okay, now here we measure the angles by protractor. Okay, now I'll show types of angle by using protractor, how to construct the angles. Here on protractor, two types of scales are given. If you count from right to left, if you go right to left, here it start from 0, 10, 20, 30, 40 like this, children. If it comes left to right, start from here 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60 like this. Okay, children? Acute angle here, angle measures from 0 degree to 90 degree. Acute angle measures 0 degree to 90 degree is called acute angle. So first, draw line. Now see, this arrow mark is there. Now protractor, you have to coincide this line to this line. Okay, how we coincide, children? This arrow mark is there, no? Keep it on this point. Okay, and this line, if you coincide on this point, this line. Okay, now children, angles, acute angle measures from 0 degree to in between 0 to 90 degree. So now I'll take, you have to count, you are counting from right to left. So 0, don't take this scale, children, upper scale. How you are starting from here to, you are counting right to left, no? So arrow mark is there. Which side arrow mark is there? That side you have to start from 0 degree. 0 to 90 degree, that means I'll take 70 degree. So now draw line. This is the angle. This is called acute angle. Okay, children, A, B, C. See, next, right angle. Right angle measures exact 90 degree. Draw line. Again, here, this point, you have to point this arrow mark, keep it on this point, and this line coincides to this. Now this angle measures exact 90 degree. Children, exact, here go straight, here it will be 90 degree. Okay? So 90 degree will mark like this. A, B, C. See, exact it is like L shape. So this is a right angle. So next, obtuse angle. Obtuse angle measures above 90 degree, 91 degree to 179 degree. Till 91 degree to 179 degree is called obtuse angle. So how will we measure? Draw line. Again, same. This arrow mark, keep it on this point. This line is coincide to this line. See, you have to take above 90 degree till any degree. So I'll take 140 degree. This is 140 degree. So this angle is called obtuse angle. A, B, C. See, start from this arrow mark is there, no? That side I am starting counting 0 to 140 degree. This 140 degree is above, sorry, this is 135 degree. This is above 90 degree. So this will measure, this is called obtuse angle because it is measuring above 90 degree. Okay. Next, straight angle. Straight angle measures exact 180 degree. 180 degree means this is straight angle. Straight angle exact measures 180 degree. How children see, suppose this is 90 degrees, exact measures 90 degrees. This is 90 degree. Now both sides if you draw, here one straight line, both 90 degree makes 180 degrees. So this measures how much? 180 degree. Last, complete angle. Complete angle measures 360 degree. So now, see this is angle. So if you take, it will take one round. Another angle, another arm. If you take full one round, this becomes how much? Complete angle. Okay, I'll show here children. This is 90 degree. This side this is 90 degree. Total 180 degree. Suppose angle if you take full one rotate, it becomes complete angle. You start from here and again it comes in the same place. This is 0 degree. Start from 0 degree, we take one full round, it becomes 360 degree. Okay, I hope you understood types of angles.
Now open your classwork, draw margin, write date, write heading, write these definitions in the classwork children. First one point, next line, next line segment, next ray, next angle, definition of angle, next types of angles, then first definition of acute angle, next right angle, then obtuse angle, then straight angle, then complete angle. Okay, complete your classwork. We'll meet in next class. Thank you.